Do you ever look at the world of crypto and feel like you're standing on the outside of a massive, exclusive party? Everyone's talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, about decentralized finance and NFTs, and you're just nodding along, pretending you understand. You've heard about people making incredible gains, and maybe you've even dipped your toes in by buying a tiny fraction of a coin on an exchange. But then comes the big question: how do I actually use this stuff? How do I send crypto to a friend, or receive it from someone? How do I move it off the exchange and into my own control? It's a common hurdle, isn't it? The initial purchase on a user-friendly platform like Newton is often straightforward. But then, the idea of sending or receiving crypto conjures up images of complex alphanumeric strings, network fees, and the terrifying possibility of losing your funds in the digital ether. It feels like stepping into a labyrinth without a map, and frankly, that fear of making an irreversible mistake is enough to keep most people from exploring the true potential of cryptocurrency. You see, buying crypto on an exchange is just the first step. It's like buying a stock in a brokerage account. You own it, but it's still held by the broker. The real power and utility of cryptocurrency comes from being able to send it to anyone, anywhere in the world, at any time, without intermediaries. It's about being able to receive payments, participate in decentralized applications, or simply hold your assets in a wallet you control. This is where the true freedom and innovation of the blockchain truly shines. But for many, this next step feels like a quantum leap. You might be wondering, what's a crypto address? Is it like an email address? What are network fees? What's the difference between sending Bitcoin and sending Ethereum? And why does everyone stress about double-checking the address so much? These are all valid questions, and they highlight the need for clear, step-by-step guidance. The good news is, it's not nearly as complicated as it seems. With a little bit of knowledge and a walkthrough, you'll be confidently sending and receiving crypto on Newton like a seasoned pro. Newton, being a fantastic and user-friendly platform, makes this process as smooth as possible, abstracting away much of the underlying complexity while still giving you the control you need. Today, we're going to demystify the process of sending and receiving cryptocurrency using Newton. We'll cover everything from the absolute basics to important safety tips, ensuring you feel empowered and secure in your crypto journey. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your digital assets and finally start using your crypto, then stick around. This is going to be your comprehensive guide. Let's start with the absolute fundamentals. What exactly is happening when you send or receive crypto? Think of your cryptocurrency as a digital file, and your crypto address as a unique street address on a global, public ledger called the blockchain. When you send crypto, you're essentially instructing the network to move that digital file from your address to someone else's address. This instruction is then verified by a network of computers, and once confirmed, the transaction is immutable, meaning it cannot be changed or reversed. Receiving crypto is the reverse. Someone sends you their digital file, and it lands in your unique crypto address. It's important to understand that your crypto isn't actually stored on Newton in the same way money is stored in a bank. Instead, Newton manages the keys to your addresses on the blockchain, making it easy for you to interact with your holdings. Now, let's get practical. The first step, of course, is to have a Newton account and some cryptocurrency in it. If you haven't done that yet, I highly recommend checking out Newton's official website for a super easy onboarding process. For the purpose of this guide, we'll assume you've already got some crypto sitting in your Newton account, ready to be sent or received. Sending crypto on Newton, a step-by-step guide. Sending crypto might feel intimidating, but Newton makes it incredibly straightforward. Let's break it down. Log into your Newton account. This is obvious, but it's the starting point. Access your Newton dashboard either through the mobile app or the web interface. Navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. On the Newton app, you'll typically see a Send button on your main dashboard or within the individual crypto assets page. On the web, it might be under a Withdraw or Send Crypto option. Click on the cryptocurrency you wish to send. For example, if you want to send Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin. Enter the recipient's crypto address. This is the most critical step. The recipient will provide you with their unique crypto address. This address is a long string of alphanumeric characters. Crucially, make absolutely sure the address matches the cryptocurrency you are sending. You cannot send Bitcoin to an Ethereum address, or vice versa. Sending to the wrong address will almost certainly result in the irreversible loss of your funds. It's like sending a physical letter to the wrong house. Once it's in the mail, you can't get it back. Double check, triple check, even quadruple check the address. This is not an exaggeration. A common practice is to copy the address and then paste it, visually comparing the first few characters and the last few characters to ensure it's correct. Even better, some wallets and exchanges offer a QR code option. If the recipient provides a QR code, you can scan it with your phone's camera to automatically populate the address, significantly reducing the risk of human error. Understand network fees. When sending crypto, there are typically network fees associated with the transaction. These fees are paid to the miners or validators who process and secure the blockchain network. Newton will usually display the estimated network fee before you confirm the transaction. These fees can fluctuate based on network congestion. During times of high demand, fees can be higher. Newton aims to offer competitive withdrawal fees, often covering a portion themselves. Enter the amount you wish to send, type in the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Newton will often show you the equivalent value in Canadian dollars, or your local currency, for convenience. Be mindful of minimum and maximum withdrawal limits, which Newton will usually specify. Review the transaction details. Before confirming, Newton will present you with a summary of your transaction. This will include the cryptocurrency being sent, the recipient's address, the amount, the estimated network fee, the total amount to be deducted from your account. This is your last chance to catch any errors. Review every single detail carefully. Confirm the transaction. Once you are absolutely certain all details are correct, click the Confirm or Send button. You will likely be prompted for a two-factor authentication, 2FA, code for security purposes. Enter the code from your authenticator app, like Google Authenticator or Authy. This is a crucial security layer that protects your funds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.